In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an invoice in Zoho Books. Whether you've made a mistake or simply need to retract or modify the data, canceling an invoice can be a straightforward process if you know where to look. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can handle this task with ease. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Zoho Accounts page. It's the central hub where you can manage all your Zoho applications. Once you've logged in, you'll notice a prominent tab or section labeled Apps. Give that a click. This is where Zoho keeps all your installed or accessible applications. Now that we're in the Apps section, you should see a list of the applications available to you. Find Invoice among the options and click on it to proceed. This will redirect you to the invoicing interface, where you'll perform all the necessary actions to cancel your invoice. Next up, look for a small arrow button or an icon resembling an arrow. Clicking this will usually bring up additional options or expand a drop-down menu. These menus are often designed to streamline navigation, so don't be overwhelmed with choices, just know we're heading in the right direction. Once the menu has expanded, you'll want to find and click on the Manage section. This segment typically contains administrative tools or features that allow you to alter, delete, or otherwise manage your invoices and other documentation within Zoho Books. With the Manage section now open, locate the ellipsis, often represented visually as 3 small dots. In most modern web interfaces, this symbol is used to signify overflow menus containing further options. Usually, this is found near your invoice list, so keep an eye on that area. Now, by clicking on these 3 dots, you'll unveil a selection of options relating to your invoices and organization settings. Among these options should be an action prompt like Leave Organization or Delete. Simply click on this to commence the cancellation process of your invoice. Be sure to review any confirmation prompts to ensure you're canceling the correct document, as these actions can sometimes be irreversible. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Zoho Books to cancel your invoice. Canceling an invoice isn't something to be taken lightly, since it can have implications for your accounting and record keeping. Always double check that you're performing this action on the correct document. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. As always, if you have further queries or need more detailed assistance, don't hesitate to explore the help sections within Zoho or reach out for professional advice. Happy invoicing!